Greetings. Last Christmas by Wham is going to be this year's festive song. It's a present from my wife. She's a big Wham fan, so she wanted me to do this as a song lesson. It's a really simple song. It's 4 chords all the way through. I'm going to show you how to play it in its really most basic sense, but then I'm going to take you through that little kind of fingerstyle bit if you want a little bit more of a challenge and you want to include a melody and you want to just make something a little bit more of it. So here we go. The chords D, you can also play a D sus2, followed by a B minor, then an E, which you can play, then an E minor, which you can play as your open E minor chord, or up here as a bar chord, which is the way we're going to use it for the fingerstyle part. You can also play an E minor 9, which kind of sounds very nice. It's just with that F sharp on the 2nd fret of the high E string. And then we finish with an A. That's how simple it is. So if you just wanted to play through this and strum away, that's how you do it. You can do it down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up kind of pattern, and that'll work fine. If you want to play this a little bit more intricately, you spell out the melody. That can all happen around your D chord. Lift your finger off that B string for the very last note there. As we go to the next chord, it's a B minor, but you're going to lift this bar finger up so the high E string is open because our melody starts on that. And you're playing the B bass note on the 2nd fret A string at the same time. Then you drop that bar finger down onto the 2nd fret because that's your next melody note. Then you lift your finger off the 3rd fret of the B string, so it comes down to the 2nd fret where your bar finger is, and follow the melody through that way. Then we slide up to your E minor bar chord on the 7th fret, but we start with it as an E sus2, which is just your minor 3rd lifted off. And then you add that little note on the B string with your 2nd finger to keep that melody going. And you kind of reverse that little finger picking pattern after that 2nd bass note. I'll do that again slowly so you can get it, because it's easy to gloss over that, but I think it works really well to do these last 3 notes in this order. So we go. Then drop down to the A chord. We're going to play it here using this shape, but you start with the open A string and the 6th fret G string. And put your 2nd finger on that D string 7th fret, so you're playing that whole shape there, partial shape there, because what we do next, then you grab those 2 strings together, and then you're back to the start. So I'll play that through really slowly, and hopefully that will be enough. Thanks for watching. Stay safe over the holidays. See you next year.